new voice alert. No, I'm not AI generated. Or am I? Welcome to Data Charya. Let's unpack some seriously cool data. Data analyst or data engineer? What's the real difference? Which one pays more? Which one is easier to start with? And which career should you choose? If you have just graduated or joined a data project, or you are simply curious about the data world, this video is for you. Let's break it all down in a simple, clear, and practical way. Imagine this: your manager walks in and says, "Hey, which region had the highest sales last quarter?" The data analyst pulls up dashboards, runs some filters, and gets the answer in minutes. But where did the data come from? Who prepared it, cleaned it, and made it usable? That's where the data engineer steps in. Think of it like a restaurant. The engineer is the chef here, prepping and cooking the dish, and the analyst is the waiter, serving it to the customer. Both are critical, but focused on different things. Now, coming to the tools and skills. So, what do they actually work with? Data analysts use tools like Excel, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, focused on analyzing trends, reports, and business metrics. On the other hand, these data engineers, they use Python, advanced SQL, and cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure, and ETL tools like Matillion, Airflow, or Informatica. They build data pipelines and handle the heavy lifting behind the scenes. So, analysts talk more with business teams, and here the engineers they work with infrastructure and development teams. Very different work environments, but both are super valuable. Now, coming to the best part for which you all were waiting. Let's talk money and market growth. So, in India, right now, a data analyst makes about 7 to 10 LPA on an average. Top analysts with experience can go up to 18 plus LPA. Data engineers start a little higher, around 10 LPA, and can go up to 20 or even 25 LPA, especially with cloud or big data experience. And what about job demand? Well, India's data engineering market was worth over 18,000 crores in 2025. That includes tools, hiring, infrastructure, everything. But by 2027, it's expected to shoot up to 86,900 crores. That's almost 5x growth. A big shot, right? Meaning more jobs, higher salaries, and a lot more opportunities coming your way. Coming to the career growth, both roles have amazing growth potential. As a data analyst, you can move into roles like analytics consultant, BI lead, or even product manager if you like business strategy. As a data engineer, you could grow into a cloud architect, a platform engineer, or data engineering manager. Some professionals even switch from one to the other based on interest and upskilling. So there is no wrong path, just your preferred style of work. So, which one should you choose? If you enjoy storytelling with data, creating dashboards, and solving business problems, go with data analyst. But if you love writing code, building systems, and automating workflows, then data engineering is probably your path. Both roles are future proof, in demand, and extremely satisfying. Still figuring it out? Don't worry, we have got your back. On this channel, Datacharya, we will help you learn everything from SQL to ETL tools like Matillion with simple hands-on tutorials. So make sure to subscribe, smash the bell icon, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.